You ever think so the words, no matter what you say out of your mouth, them could have been the last thing you left behind. The words where you talk today might be a memory where somebody never forget. Them not forget it, them remember it forever. Your words carry power. Make them be spark and make a spark a light, no shadow. Sometimes when you say around somebody, remember, choose wisely what you say around them, because them will remember if a something no good, they will remember it. Where you left, make sure you make a lasting mark, because it starts with your words, them spark a light. Words spark light, as me write, them can be the last thing somebody remember. Proverbs 18 verse 21 said, death and life in the power of the tongue, and them that love it shall eat the fruit thereof. So remember, every word matter. Make them bring light. Every word where you say carry weight. It could have been the last spark in somebody's life that they remember. Remember, every word matter. Make them bring light. Every word matter. Make them bring light. Every word matter. Make them bring light. What spark words you go left behind today? That's the question for you. Like, comment, and subscribe for more poetry and inspirational quote from Inga Writes. And share this with somebody who need encouragement today. God love you, and so do I. Peace.